don't think I'll die. We'll be fine.
All right, June. I'm coming to you.
Yeah, I'm just farming right now so we can actually learn the guns.
Me too. I'm gonna farm. What the fuck?
Whoa, whoa, someone shooting?
Yeah, I'm dead outside the base. Aw, I love Ray. You're cool, Ray. You're funny and you're sweet. I got Ray's Shine a Light Award, guys. I got it. Feels good, man. Thank you, Ray. That's so sweet. The co-owner of 100 Days knows of me. Sheesh.
Oh shit! Oh wow!
You can do some wheelies with this thing too.
Wait, can you show me? I actually don't understand that muscle.
Yeah, so it's like you'll
You're going to make me do it, of course.
Putting your foot down on the pedal, and then with your space, you It's gonna take a while to download. Okay, well I'm just gonna browse. I'm playing with Toast, Miyang, I think Yvonne said yes, and Wendy. I don't know about Yvonne. I think Yvonne said yes. I think it's Yvonne. Thank you, Kimmy, for Michael. She only agreed to play if we just play like X amount of games and then we go to Valorant. So it might just be like a little bit of Dead by Daylight and then Valorant, I guess. I don't know.
Naked and then the sky.
Do you like
You guys
what
see
you
me?
see?
People.
I think I just need to cry it out. I think I just need to let it out. Just need to let it out. Just a lot of pressure on me. I can't seem to carry these games. Maybe I just belong in Iron, you know?
Match found.
Like S12.
River. Any river that's not in the snow, there'll all be pumpkins there.
It's a really nice sound.
Oh, I had digged her. She's lit.
Oh!
Okay.
Spectre, Phantom, all that stuff. Okay. Yeah, Reyna is right near Bath last.
Absolute maniac.
We can TP if we want.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Yeah,
let's do it.
Let's do it.
And then it's probably.
They win these.
I have no blind. This is really.
That's okay.
Oh, she's there.
Spike down B.
Both.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Oh.
You're just better. Actually, just a better player.
Okay,
That's
smarter.
Twitch.tv/
Okay.
The 5 HP coach! The double D! But it comes in pretty big portions, so I like it because it's filling and I get to just like eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and not have to worry about food. And I'm really loving that right now. So yeah, been ordering that. It's the 3rd day in a row. Might order again, you know, might fuck around, maybe order it again after that. So yeah. Would you ever play GTA or RP? I really would. I just have social anxiety and the idea freaks me out, so I haven't. No way.
Is this when she tried to get up the sign and then she like died?
No! No! I thought that I could sit on the top of the V.
No.
Oh no, I'm in a bush.
Oh, no.
I'm in a bush. Elena! Help!
Wait, I only see one snack.
Oh yeah, I
She's
saw that in
back
like a
there.
survival show. Somebody
Yeah.
like drank
Yeah, I
some
only see
cactus
one snack too.
Multiple.
Jet dash. Oh my.
Oh my god.
They're really good together.
I can drone for you. Oh, she's gonna hop up.
Spike planted.
Got recon in this.
You will not kill my ally.
That's right in front of me.
Is right in front of me.
Pushing it. Nice. 2A main.
I think both A main. Omen has no flash.
Bottom right.
Standing.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Wait, what? I
That
don't
wasn't
get
me.
it! Okay. Frick.
Oh, did you get it?
I don't.
No. He probably just saw a cute girl. 1 second.
Cute girl and a fucking bike.
Yeah, a cute girl named AKUMA.
Right?
Hey, G, I'm on my way right now.
Okay, yeah, we were just...
Tough?
Yeah, this bag has like 3
Oh,
houses.
fuck. That's not mine.
Wait. Oh, this is Danny's body.
Really?
Oh,
Like
Danny,
Emzy on it.
Danny, I found your body with the
Oh.
pumpkins and the corn, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
I'm bringing you home. I'm bringing you home, Danny. I'm bringing you home.
Dude,
Oh my god.
Go. Stun him. Stun him.
I'm
Stun
knocking
him.
her up. I'm gonna knock her up. I'm gonna knock her up. I'm going for the hook. I'm going for the hook.
Okay.
Big hook. I'm knocking her up.
Clean.
Yeah.
Nice.
Knocking Diana's up is what I do.
That sounded weird. All right, listen, guys. I'm your
That's
shield.
Diana.
Satisfied.
Cover going out.
You should run.
You will not kill my allies. Opponent killed. 3 down.
One enemy remaining.
Okay.
Crazy motherfucker.
Oh!
Oh my.
Be careful.
Reyna's looking at us.
One enemy remaining. Spike down.
Oh my! Get the fucking ace! Get the fucking ace!
Okay, yeah, get the ace.
He's there! He's
I'm
there!
gonna go sit and grab a gun.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Sid is on one.
I will literally give myself 1 bullet. Oh, sorry. I'm giving myself 1 bullet. So if I kill them, you know, it's all.
Okay,
it's
wall's
all
going
you.
down.
At least it was epic if you kill him.
That's the
Hang on,
clip.
myself another bullet.
Oh my god.
Honestly, I don't care
Oh
about the ace.
my
30 seconds left.
god.
No, I'm saying.
That was dirty.
I see her. I see her. She's right here.
Right here. That orange. Get it, Sid. It's all you.
I don't see her anymore.
That's
PeterparkTV Python.
no, that's definitely something else.
Danny's These Nuts
Hello?
rock, huh?
Oh yeah, Danny got a skin. I didn't get a skin though.
Abe's ninja suit, huh?
Am I muted?
I thought we were all playing for fun. I thought we
Yeah.
were all playing for fun.
I mean, we were playing for fun.
I was so happy to see you guys ask me to play.
Mixer, bro?
And y'all got drops.
Do they not do Facebook drop?
Shark Boy with the format. Will you be
just left
playing
him.
Resident Evil 8? No, Megalo. Sorry. I don't really like solo scary. I don't really like solo scary games because I jump scare easy, okay? Thanks, Peter.
And if any like Rust viewers start backseating you, oh, hey.
What?
30 seconds left.
Oh, she's right there.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
One enemy remaining.
Go for the plant. If you can.
I'm bad. She didn't pop up on the minimap. Oh,
What? From downtown?
I was
Oh
1
my
HP.
God.
I was 1 HP. I was 1 HP.
Okay.
I was 1 HP.
like actually 1?
Like, yeah, like 2 or 3.
Okay.
That
Well,
hurts
I'm
my
gonna
soul.
need you to clip that and send it into Riot so we can get that shit like
1 HP.
fixed.
It was 1 HP, you know?
Yeah, if he's low, I guess it makes sense, but
Yeah, just 1 bullet will do like, yeah.
I just don't even think the bullet should travel that far. It's a shotgun.
shotgun,
Yeah.
yeah.
So what is this?
Oh, someone headshot me, dude.
Wait,
Yeah,
you
that
guys
was me.
are actually above and
Oh
beyond.
my god.
Am I losing my voice? No way. Hello? What happened to my voice?
Oh my god, this is hard.
Dude, dang, you're too fucking good. You're too good. You're too good, dude. You're fucking too good.
Hello? Oh my god, that was so weird. All right, we're back.
Oh, they rushed.
Spike planted.
Night night.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, so close. Jesus. That was so close. So close.
Okay, woman. I'll smash in the front door while you sneak in the back.
Nice try, man.
It's a good plan, huh?
No, I shower normally. I really do.
Yeah, she's not giving us a number.
Yeah.
Once every 2 days.
Once every 2 days, asterisk, unless there's
Well,
a reason why.
Is there an asterisk, Lily?
Well, no, once
Is there
every,
some fine print?
Once every 2-3 days, yeah.
2-3 days?
Yeah. But
So you've never
3?
gone more than 3 days without showering.
Okay, I have, but that's not common. Like, it's not part of it. It's like
See,
an outlier.
once again, you're staying common, which is subjective.
Why? I tried defending you. This is the last time I'm gonna try defending you. You threw me under the bus. I'll remember this.
But now people are focusing on you and not the fact that I haven't showered yet.
He has an evil plan all along.
It's called a false flag.
You guys are both disgusting. Get it together.
I'm not disgusting. I don't really move. I don't sweat.
You don't move?
What do you mean you don't move? You don't sweat?
I don't move.